what descriptor applies to a student who failed to meet standards? Ano po yung descriptor? Ano yung nilalagay ni teacher sa kanila pong card bilang tayo'y ginagamit na po ito natin ngayon sa ating K-12? No? Would it be letter A, did not meet expectations? Letter B, beginning. Letter C, developing. Or letter D, poor. Ang tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter A. And you remember our acronym, DFASA, very old. No? DFASA, very old. That is our acronym for this one. No? So D there, D is did not meet expectations. Ito po, di ba? So did not meet expectations, that's below 75. Now, also known as failure, di ba? So hindi po siya nakapasa dahil, of course, until now, yung passing grade po natin is 75. Okay? Now, next one is FA. That's fairly satisfactory. Fairly satisfactory po is from 75 to 79. No? So, pasado pero mababa. Now, of course, you have SA. That is satisfactory from 80 to 84. Okay? 80 to 84 po yan. Kadalasan din po itong natanong ng inyong licensure exam for teachers. Now, usually, nagbibigay po sila ng grade at ipapadetermine kung ano po yung ating descriptor. Now, of course, you have very, that is very satisfactory from 85 to 89. And lastly, you have all, that's outstanding from 90 to 100.